Tip 1. When boiling eggs, don't just boil them directly in water. In this video, I'll show you how to boil eggs like in a 5-star restaurant. The eggs will be fresh and delicious, the yolks will be evenly cooked, not dry, and most importantly, the shells will be easy to peel. First, pour water into the pot, about 1 liter of water. Add salt and stir until the salt dissolves. Now let's wash the eggs. As you can see, they're quite dirty and don't look very appealing. Place the eggs in a large bowl. Add baking soda and salt. This will help to easily remove dirt and residue from the eggshells, such as chicken droppings, feathers, bacteria, and soil. Soak the eggs for 5 minutes. Then, use a clean cloth to wipe each egg dry. Now we begin boiling the eggs. Place the steamer basket on top. Next, place the eggs in the pot, but instead of spreading them out as usual, we'll arrange them in a circle, leaving the center empty. Let's place a small plate or bowl in the empty space in the middle. Pour vinegar over the plate. Now add a little salt. Vinegar and salt are 2 ingredients that help peel eggs easily by softening the inner membrane, preventing cracking by quickly coagulating the proteins, and keeping the yolk looking nice and not grayish-green. Now let's turn on the stove and boil the eggs. After the water boils, reduce the heat to medium. If you want runny yolks, steam them for 6 minutes. If you want them fully cooked, steam them for 12 minutes. I'll boil the eggs for 12 minutes. You can see that when you lift the lid, there's no fishy smell, but don't eat them right away. Put them in a bowl of cold water. The cold water will prevent the eggs from sticking to the shells and make them easier to peel without burning your hands. The result is that we have incredibly delicious eggs, with intact egg whites, golden yellow yolks, and a delightful taste. Tip 2. Fluffy cloud eggs. First, prepare 2 eggs and crack them into a clean bowl. At this step, we will separate the egg whites and egg yolks. Simply touch a little garlic with your fingers. Then use 2 fingers to gently touch the egg yolk. You'll find that the yolk can be easily lifted up without breaking, while the egg white remains in the bowl. Next, use a whisk or electric mixer to beat the egg whites. Whisk gently until small bubbles start to form. At this point, add a little sugar. Continue whisking steadily until the egg whites become smooth, thick, and fluffy. When you lift the whisk, if you see soft peaks that hold their shape lightly without immediately collapsing, that's when it's perfect. Prepare a baking tray and lightly grease it with a thin layer of oil to prevent sticking. Then, use a spoon to scoop portions of the whipped egg whites onto the tray and gently spread them into round shapes. Where are you from? I'm so glad you watched my video. It's great to be able to connect people all over the world. In the center of each, create a small well. Place the egg yolk right in the middle. And sprinkle a little salt and black pepper on top to enhance the flavor. Before baking, cover the tray tightly with aluminum foil. This is a small trick to retain moisture so the eggs don't dry out and the egg whites stay soft and fluffy. Place the tray in the oven. And bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 8–10 minutes. While waiting for the eggs to cook, prepare 2 slices of bread and toast them until golden and crispy. Prepare 2 tomatoes. Cut them in half. And lightly pan-fry them over low heat to preserve their natural sweetness. Slice the mushrooms into bite-sized pieces and sauté them until soft and fragrant. Finally, quickly stir-fry the spinach to keep its fresh green color and nutrients. At this point, take the eggs out of the oven. Don't eat it right away. Take a piece of bread and spread a little avocado on it. The egg whites have puffed up beautifully, soft and fluffy like clouds, gently cradling the golden egg yolk in the center. Plate the eggs together with the toasted bread and the prepared vegetables. The dish is not only visually appealing, but also nutritionally balanced, perfect for a light yet energizing breakfast.